Hello, kindergarten. I hope everyone's having a really great day. Here is our story that we're going to read today. We have Easter and spring are right around the corner, so I thought we'd read this new story I got. It's called Too Many Carrots. Okay, here we go. You guys can see. It says to do, eat carrots, plant carrots, collect carrots, eat carrots. Look at all the pictures in the background. Look at all the carrot things. Rabbit loved carrots. He collected them wherever he went. There's Rabbit. Rabbit was proud of his collection and burrowed it away in his cozy hole. But Rabbit had a problem. A big problem. What do you think his problem is? He couldn't sleep. Look at all those carrots in his burrow. His crazy hole was too crowded to live in. I need a place to sleep, Rabbit told Tortoise. You could share my house, Tortoise offered. Think a tortoise is kind of like a turtle. Where do they live? In their shells. Do you think this is going to work? It looks cozy and snug, Rabbit said. Maybe it's a little too snug for two, suggested Tortoise. Not at all, said Rabbit. Uh-oh! Oh dear! Ouch! Ah! Crash! Uh-oh. Look what happened to Tortoise's shell. Oh no. Oh dear. Well, perhaps we can stay in birds' nests, said Rabbit. My nest is quite small, Rabbit, said Bird, but I'm sure we will all fit in, replied Rabbit. Do you think they can all stay with Bird? Rabbit hauled all his carrots up the tree. Whoa, groaned Tortoise. And Bird, as the branch wobbled and swayed. Oh no, what do you think's going to happen to the branch? It snapped. Crash! I'm so sorry, Bird. Now 3 of us don't have a place to sleep, said Rabbit. You can sleep in my house, offered Squirrel. Oh, thank you, Squirrel. How kind of you, said Rabbit. Do you think they'll all be able to live in Squirrel's house? Squirrel and Rabbit and Bird and Tortoise. I don't think any more carrots will fit, Rabbit, said Squirrel. Just a few more, Rabbit replied. Uh-oh, whimpered Tortoise, Bird, and Squirrel. Look at the house. All those carrots in it, oh no. Creak, crack, crash. He broke Squirrel's house too. Uh-oh. Look at the faces of his friends. How do they look? Mad, yep. Now 4 of us don't have anywhere to sleep, grumbled Squirrel. You can sleep at my house, called Beaver. I have plenty of space. Great, I can bring even more carrots, Rabbit said with a smile. But with all your carrots, we can't fit inside, said Beaver, he a bit bewildered. Just then, the rain started. Tortoise shivered, Bird whimpered, Squirrel squeaked. Look at the house is full of carrots, but the animals can't fit inside. Rabbit's not being very kind, is he? Oh my goodness. And Beaver heard a terrible rumble as his house collapsed. "Oh no, my house!" yelled Beaver. "Oh no, my carrots!" cried Rabbit. What do you think they can do so that they can use the carrots and all have a place to live? Do you have any ideas? Think about it. Oh my goodness. Ah! Look at them all washing downstream. Oh no. Crash! The friends groaned as they swept up onto the riverbank. These poor animals. Rabbit felt terrible. His friends were cold, tired, and homeless, and it was all his fault. Even worse, Rabbit still had all of his carrots and his house. And that's when he realized there was only one thing to do. Share everything with his friends. After all, carrots weren't for collecting, they were for sharing. Look at that big carrot party. And sharing made everything better. I hope you enjoyed this story, kindergarten. I really liked it. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.